In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a Doordash promo code at checkout. First, open the Doordash app and start building your order by adding items to your cart. Browse restaurants, choose your dishes, and customize them the way you like. Take a moment to check item availability, delivery times, and any minimum order requirements some restaurants may set. As you add items, you'll see your cart update with the current subtotal, plus an estimate of taxes, fees, and delivery charges. When you're happy with what's in your cart, you're ready to move on. Next, proceed to the checkout screen. You can usually get there by tapping the cart icon in the top corner. On the checkout page, confirm your delivery address, delivery method, and payment method. This is the best place to make sure everything looks correct before you apply a promo code, since any changes to items or delivery details can affect eligibility for certain discounts. Now, scroll down until you find the promo code or discount field. It may appear under your payment details or near your order summary. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. Sometimes it's collapsed behind an expandable section. In the promo code field, carefully enter your code exactly as it was given to you. Promo codes are case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters must match. If you're copying and pasting, watch out for extra spaces at the beginning or end. Those can cause the code to fail. Also keep in mind that many codes have expiration dates, location or restaurant restrictions, or minimum subtotals, so accuracy matters. After typing in your code, tap apply. You should see the discount reflected right away in your subtotal. Keep in mind that most promo codes reduce the food subtotal and may not apply to taxes, fees, tips, or alcohol. Look for a line item in your order summary that shows the promo deduction and verify that the new total matches your expectations. Some discounts or promotions like store-specific deals or Dasher rewards may apply automatically if your order meets the criteria. In those cases, you don't need to enter anything. You'll see the savings highlighted in your summary. Before you complete payment, always double check that the discount appears correctly in your order summary. If it's not showing, revisit the code for spelling, capitalization, and eligibility. Once everything looks good, you're all set to place your order with the applied savings. Enjoy your meal.